Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to wrap up this 2020 with 10 of my most favorite products. So I have bunch of these products with me, like they are 10, I have counted them, okay. So these are 10 products that are like annual favorite, and yes, I am going to show you all one by one with a mini review, and they are like tried and tested, and I truly recommend these products. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into these products. First, I'm gonna talk about my hair care product, and this is what I'm using for about 3 months, I believe, and I'm kinda loving this product. So this is like a complete hair care kit. I have this shampoo, the conditioner, and this serum too. So it's been 3 months that I'm using this whole hair care kit, and I love these products. They are so good. You see my hair, I don't use any straightening iron, I don't use any curling rod, nothing on my hair. What completely does the magic is this brand. Like, it is so good. I have a full review on this, you can check it here. I'm gonna link it somewhere here, and I am totally in love with this. I know I've said it a lot of times, but because this video is all about my favorite product, so I am going to say this word a lot of times. So this is shampoo which comes in a packing of 250 ml, this is 150 ml, and this is 30 ml. I know the quantity is very less, but trust me, you need it very less, okay. So you can see the quantity that is left with me. I've used it for 3 months and I can use it for 1 month more. Like for my hair length, 1 second. Yes, for my hair length, I use 2 pump of this and 1 pump of this conditioner and only 4 drops of this serum, and you get this kind of beautiful, bouncy and fresh hair. The best thing about this brand is you get customized product, like customized hair care kit. And all these products in the hair care kit, you get it for rupees 1800 or something, or I believe it's 1650, like I don't remember, but I'm gonna leave a discount code. You will get 10% additional discount. I'm gonna leave it in my description box, so do not forget to check that. The next product that I have with me is this face wash from Face Shop. I'm sorry for the condition, that's how my husband use. Yes, we both use this product. This is the Face Shop Jeju Volcanic Lava Pore Cleansing Foam. So again, I have a full review on this product. I am going to leave it here. You can check. Oh my god, it is a beautiful face wash. Me and Anurag, we both use this product. It gives your skin an instant brightness and it removes all the dirt from your face. And the best part is it has this Jeju Volcanic Lava, which is really good for skin. Alright, now the third product that I have with me is this toner from the brand Pilgrim. Now again, I have a full review on this product. You can check it here, and I kinda love this toner. It is again Secrets of Jeju Island. Like, this brand is made in India and it is free from all the harmful chemicals, it is free from fragrance, it is free from toxins, and it is like SLS and paraben free. It is 100% vegan, like all the good things in this one small bottle. Not that much small, okay. You get quantity of 100 ml. When you spray it on your face, you will feel like you are at some spa or at some botanical garden. It is that good. Like, it has that ultra fine spray which gives a boost of energy and freshness. And the best part of this product is like it has witch hazel. So what I do is when I'm done with my makeup, I use it as my setting spray too, and it gives your face kind of glow that you are like that you always die for. It gives that glow. So it is like a multi-purpose kind of product. It is a facial mist, it is a toner, and also you can use it as your makeup fixer. Now the next product that I have with me is a moisturizer, and this one is again from the Face Shop, and it is their Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Emulsion.
Oh my god, I am in love with this moisturizer.
Whenever you apply it on your face, you know, it gets absorbed into skin so good, and it gives a subtle glow. So I really like this moisturizer under my makeup too, because it gives that dewy finish to your makeup, like to your base, and you just need 2 drops of this. It spreads so quickly and so beautifully. So definitely, if you want to invest in this product, just go for it. Alright, and now the next product that I have with me is this foundation from L'Oreal Paris, and it is their Infallible Pro Matte 24-hour Demi Matte Finish Foundation. Oh my god, it is such a big name, but such a beautiful foundation. If you are looking for a full coverage foundation and for a foundation that will stay long, you must grab this product. It is such a beautiful foundation with a really good coverage, and it definitely stays for long hours. I tried it for 10 to 11 hours and it didn't even budged. So yes, that's why I love this foundation. Most of the time you will see me wearing this foundation only. I love it so much, and I am in the shade 104 Golden Beige. If you want to see full review of this foundation, like a wearable test, so I'll leave a link here, you can check it. If I'm doing a no makeup look, or if I'm doing like a wearable everyday kind of makeup, I use only this as my base. The best part about this foundation is you don't even need to set it with a loose powder because it has a demi matte finish. That's what it means. So girls, if you want a really good foundation, then just go for this. Alright, so next up I have with me is this concealer from PAC, and it is their Take Cover Concealer. Oh my god, such a buttery formula, and it is like must for dry skin girls. Like when I apply this concealer and blend it, it blends like dream. Like I don't know, it is super easy to blend this concealer, and it has such a lovely texture. Also, it is like super breathable. Like you won't feel you have something heavy under your eyes. No, not at all. It is a super light concealer. There are huge shades to pick from. I am in the shade Stark Nude, but this is not like a brightening concealer for me. This is the exact match of my skin tone, so I use it as my color corrector, like just to hide that darkness or pigmentation which is under my eyes or around my mouth. Alright guys, now the next product that I have with me.
What's up with my hair?
The next product that I have with me is an eyeshadow palette, and I have two eyeshadow palettes to show. One is this Nicka K palette, and I have three variants in this. This one is Under the Sea, this one is Mocha, and this one is Plum. And these three palettes, they are such an amazing palette. Like you will hear or see mixed reviews of this palette. Some will say it is pigmented, some will say it is not that much pigmented whatsoever. Personally, my opinion about these palettes, I love these palettes. They are so good, and I don't have any complaint about their pigmentation as well. They are so easy to blend. They are super buildable. Like the colors are super buildable, and yes, they have a huge range of colors as well. Like you can pick your own. And another eyeshadow palette that I have with me is this one. I freaking love this palette. This is the Delancey palette, and let me show you the colors. It is basically a glitter palette, and this is how it looks like. There are a lot of glitters, and they are like pressed glitters. And if you ask me from where I got this, how much, I know nothing about this. My sister gave me this palette. Basically, she gifted me this palette because I was using her palette a lot when I was in my native. So she gifted me this palette. Next product that I have with me is this one. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick. Basically, this is a highlighter. This is a highlighting stick, and I am in the shade When the Nude Strikes. And this is what I am wearing underneath. Like I topped it up with the powder highlighter. I use it a lot. Like this is the best highlighter if you are working for like everyday makeup, office makeup. So this is like really good. It gives a natural glow. And this is what I wear on my collarbones, on my shoulders, like you can see, So this is what I wear, and yeah, it's such a cute and pretty and my favorite highlighter stick. Now the next product that I have with me, which completely changed my eyelash game, is this PAC Lash Fixer. So you guys all know how much I struggled in applying false eyelashes, like the glue one. And since I started my YouTube channel, it's been 2 years. Yes, it's been completely 2 years now. and I was just using magnetic eyelashes because I wasn't comfortable with the glue eyelashes. For me, glue eyelashes suck. Alright guys, so that's it with this video. I would love to know that which product is your favorite. So please do let me know in the comment section below which product is your favorite, and I will see you in my next video.